Are you a TikToker, YouTuber, or simply love creating engaging video content? Then you need CapCut Pro. But let's be real, CapCut Pro can be a bit pricey. That's why we're here today with an exclusive offer just for you. For a limited time, you can get a whopping 30% off CapCut Pro. That's right, 30% off. Imagine all the amazing effects, transitions, and music you can add to your videos. The possibilities are endless. With CapCut Pro, you can level up your content game. Create professional-looking videos that will captivate your audience. From stunning visual effects to precise editing tools, CapCut Pro has it all. Ready to claim your 30% discount? Click the link in the video description to claim 30% off on CapCut Pro. It's that simple. Remember, this is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. Grab your 30% discount on CapCut Pro and start creating amazing content today. Click the link below, use the code, and elevate your videos to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and leave a comment.